Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the Tech Guy. And please, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Yeah, so today we'll be talking about the best Bitcoin wallet to use. Yeah, that's the best Bitcoin wallet to use. And we have a lot of Bitcoin wallets, Mycelium, Coinbase, blockchain. Yeah, but the best one to use is Coinbase. The best one to use is Coinbase. Yeah, that's Coinbase. So you just have to go to Play Store. Then you download Coinbase. Yeah, you realize I've already downloaded mine. So you download Coinbase. Yeah, Coinbase is regarded as the best Bitcoin wallet to use. So you just have to download Coinbase. Then after you're done, open it. And kindly sign up. Yeah, open it and kindly sign up and make sure you confirm your email and everything. Yeah, make sure you set up a two-factor authentication so that your hackers don't get rid of your account. So you just have to install Coinbase on your device. Then they just have to sign up. Yeah, the reason why Coinbase is regarded as one of the best, or is regarded as the best Bitcoin wallet is like when you are trying to send Bitcoin, they charge less as compared to the other wallets. Coinbase charge less when transferring Bitcoin, and Coinbase supports almost 20 plus cryptocurrencies. Yeah, they support almost 20 plus cryptocurrencies. That they support a lot of cryptocurrencies. You realize they support Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar Lumens, Uniswap, Wrapped Bitcoin, Cosmos, Tezos, Dash, Dai, Degraft, Maca, Filecoin, Alugan. So there are a lot. Yeah, Coinbase supports a lot. Yeah, and for the Coinbase, yeah, when you are trying to send or receive a Bitcoin, or when someone is trying to send you some Bitcoin, all that you need is your address, and you can find your address when you click on the blue button. Yeah, that's the arrows which are facing the opposite direction. Yeah, you realize there's two arrows facing the opposite direction, so you click on the blue button with the two arrows, then you click on receive. Yeah, so when you click on receive, you'll be given an address. Yeah, you'll be given an address. So all that you have to do is just copy the address and send to the person who is trying to send you the Bitcoin. So you just have to copy the address and send to the person. Yeah, copy the address and send to the person. So first, and let's talk about there is one thing with Coinbase that everybody has to know. Yeah, anytime that you are performing a transaction, they will change your address. So you realize, let's say the first transaction you did, the address was, let's say, 2F56. The next one they might change it to be 3F26. Yeah, but don't worry, your old address can be still used, and whenever someone sends a BTC to your old address, it will reflect in your account, whether the old or the new, it will still reflect in your account. And Coinbase also allows you to invest in other cryptocurrencies. Yeah, invest in other cryptocurrencies. As you realize in here, there is convert. Yeah, so you can convert your BTC to other cryptocurrencies. Yeah, in terms of investment. Yeah, that's the buy and hold. So whatever cryptocurrencies you want to convert, you can. Yeah, as I said, that's the buy and hold strategy. And you can realize, yeah, so these are the cryptocurrencies that you can invest on Coinbase. So that's it. So if you also want to send, you just click on the send. Then you fill in with the person address. You first select the Bitcoin amount you want to send, the person's address. So you first type in the amount that you want to send. Then you type in here the person's address. Yeah, you type in here the person's address. Then you just click on preview send and then send. So that's all that you have to know about Coinbase. And you realize, if you want to see the amount that you have, you just click on portfolio. Then you realize that's the amount that is in my account. Okay. And if you want to see the prices, yeah, that's it, the prices of BTC. So you realize BTC has fallen. Yeah, it has fallen by, the price has fallen by 11%. Okay, so you know the percentage in which the price has fallen. If it has rise, you know the percentage in which the price has rise. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you are new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe.